Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you I app. It's called Bestgram. Bestgram is an unofficial Telegram messaging app which use proxy system. So you can see the rating of the app 3.4 out of 5 and 43k reviews and 38 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already downloaded this app. So this is communication and messaging app. If you check this interface, then you can see it's like a Telegram, because this app uses using Telegram API, so it's like that. And if you want, then here some there are some ratings, and if you want to check about this app, then go here, and there are some feature. So the app is released 2020. So simply click install, and it takes a few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.